The use of herbs and other medicinal plants to heal and protect the human body has a long history. Traditional Chinese medicine and Indian Ayurvedic medicine share the longest and most sophisticated histories of healing with plants, herbs and spices. But the ancient Greeks, Romans, American Indians and Africans have used plants to relieve pain, protect from infection, nourish skin and hair and ease tension and anxiety. With the advent of modern medicine, many of these practices fell to the wayside. This video is for you if you would prefer to get back to the natural ways and avoid the high costs, side effects and other potential dangers of prescribed medications. The side effects of prescribed medications over the long run can include stroke, kidney disease, gallbladder disorders, and bladder cancer among other life-threatening conditions. Before watching the video, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Let's proceed by looking at some of the powerful plants that can spell relief of stomach problems and keep your gut healthy. 1. Korean mint. Another name for this herb is hyssop, which comes from the Hebrew word for herb. In biblical times, it was considered a holy herb, used for consecrating sacred spaces. Hyssop oil increases the production of bile and digestive enzymes. For this reason, it is useful in relieving stomach problems like indigestion and gas. It was traditionally used in teas, but today is available in capsules or tinctures. 2. Alfalfa. The reason behind alfalfa's digestive superpowers is its high fiber content. A 33-gram serving of alfalfa sprouts provides a full gram of dietary fiber, or 3% of our average recommended daily intake of fiber. Alfalfa sprouts are crunchy, sweet and easy to add atop a salad, in sandwiches or in stir-fries. Look for crispy sprouts with buds. Avoid those that are soggy or have brown spots. 3. Catnip. A member of the mint family, catnip is what herbalists call a relaxing nervine. This means that it helps calm you if you're overstimulated and can ease headache and motion sickness. It's also a carminative, which simply means that it relieves flatulence. Catnip tea can relieve gas, indigestion and heartburn. 4. Sage. Many of sage's digestive benefits come from its high content of rosmaric acid, the same compound that makes rosemary so flavorful and healthful. Rosmaric acid has an anti-inflammatory effect on the stomach. It prevents gastric spasms and can help control diarrhea. Adding a liberal amount of sage in your cooking can reduce inflammation throughout your gut, promote a healthy digestive system and relieve stomach problems. 5. Blackberries. In a 2013 study, subjects experienced an 88% reduction in stomach ulcers when given extracted L-gitannins from blackberries. L-gitannins are a type of antioxidant. This was due to reduced inflammation in the mucosal lining of the stomach, as well as lowered levels of oxidative stress, which contributed to the formation of the ulcers. However, blackberries have high levels of salicylates, a chemical similar to aspirin, commonly found in fruits and vegetables. If you have a sensitivity to aspirin, eating too many blackberries could actually trigger stomach problems, along with skin rashes and sinus inflammation. So be careful on the amount you consume. Enjoying the video? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Next on our list is 6. Feverfew or wild quinine. Feverfew gets its name from its feathery leaves and has long been used to treat stomach problems. The Callaway Indians of Peru use it to treat morning sickness and stomach ache, as well as kidney pain. In Costa Rica, feverfew is used in a medicinal treatment for indigestion and as an enema for worms. You can take feverfew in capsule, tablet or liquid form. Feverfew leaves can leave a bitter taste and may irritate the mouth. For this reason, it's best to buy capsules that contain freeze-dried leaves, rather than fresh. 7. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root has been around for centuries. Its healing properties were prized in ancient Greek and Indian cultures. Marshmallow root works as a mucilage, or thick, glue-like substance, that remains unchanged until it reaches the colon. It works especially well for soothing inflammatory digestive disorders like Crohn's disease and inflammatory bowel disease. You can take marshmallow root extract in capsule form or as a soothing tea. 8. Chinese yam. This Asian plant is not related to our common yams or sweet potatoes. Ancient Chinese medicine uses it to treat disorders of the stomach, spleen, kidneys and lungs. Similar to marshmallows, Chinese yam contains fiber that works as a mucilage to soothe and protect the stomach lining. It can help with chronic diarrhea and is thought to improve liver function. In its natural form, Chinese yam can be eaten baked, boiled, mashed, in soup or even raw. It is also available as a liquid, capsule, dried root or tea. 9. Sweet marjoram. Marjoram is a close cousin of oregano. It can ease stomach cramps and spasms when taken orally, usually in capsule form. It is well known for treating other simple gastrointestinal disorders, such as indigestion, nausea and flatulence. As an essential oil in aromatherapy, marjoram stimulates the digestive process. When blended with rosemary oil, it provides a rich aroma along with double the digestive benefits. So there you have it, some of the best herbs and plants to help deal with digestive issues. You have finally made it to the end of the video and I hope you learned a thing or two. Why not celebrate by clicking that subscribe button? See you next time.